From the frozen subarctic plains of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, there's a new team to contend with. The A-Team and their bot Bucktooth Burl. Comprised of 6 electric vehicle designers and 1 robotics expert, the A-Team brings together mechanical, electrical, and computer engineers, electronic system technologists, physical geography, and 25 years of entrepreneurial spirit to build the most badass bot north of the 49th and east of Alaska. With their experience gained building 100% electric trucks together at Papa Bravo Innovations, the team knows how to design and build both the mechanical and electrical systems to drive right over the competition. Adding Albert's knowledge of fighting robots and prototype fabrication, the A-Team is truly a force to be reckoned with. Now let's get a look at the team. First, we've got Kyle Isvan, resident electronics engineering technologist and accomplished electric vehicle designer. His expertise covers drive control, high voltage DC systems, motor tuning, and snowmobiling across mostly frozen lakes. Nick Wachniak, mechanical engineer and 3D modeling guru. He cut his teeth designing a 1-ton underground mining vehicle, so for him, 250 pounds is just a toy.
My name is Albert Law. I am president of TechWorks here in Saskatoon. It's a makerspace. What we essentially do is provide tools and resources for anyone in the community who wants to build or learn about new things. In terms of robot combat, we have a laser cutter, 3D printer, CNC machine that helps us with the prototyping sort of thing, so that when we get it from the computer, we can see it in the physical world and then bring it over to a more manufacturing place. I don't fear anyone while competing, because that's just a big impediment. If I was afraid, why would I be doing this? I really want to fight Ray, because he beat up my robot the last time we fought. So my team is just going to kick his ass.
And then there's this guy.
Hi, my name's Brian. I'm a recent graduate of the University of Saskatchewan in the computer engineering program, and I like pizza, beer, and video games, sometimes all at the same time. The original BattleBots season was on when I was at elementary school, so me and my friend got really excited about it and took remote control cars and then took them apart and we ended up taking some furnace ducting and cutting sharp edges in it and putting it on the RC car, pretending we were in BattleBots. But yeah, that was years ago, and now the chance has come up again to be in it and actually build a real one, so that's it's pretty exciting. The inspiration for Bucktooth Burl came kind of from the fact that we're all from Canada, so we tried to think of some sort of Canadian inspiration for the robot. So what we ended up doing was we thought of the most Canadian animal there is, a beaver, and we decided to try to use that as inspiration for the design choices that went into the robot.
2 motors provide drive at a peak of 230 amps. Our active weapon is a front-facing drum with teeth inspired by our furry mascot. This drum is chain-driven at over 3,000 RPM. The electronics are housed in a shock-mounted box protected by a steel exoskeleton.
Well, when I was 17, I was part of my high school's first robotics team, and it was a really wonderful experience to come together with a number of like-minded individuals and work on a project together. And we worked into the night many times. There was a lot of things that I learned, kind of bridging the theoretical and the practical world. And even today I find that as an engineer I have a lot of theoretical experience, but I have trouble implementing it into something that's manufacturable or serviceable and whatnot. And I feel like this project could really take myself and the guys that I work with and help us develop those skills and also build a robot and kick butt.
It's going to be very unique, a great experience for all of us. I just want to say how proud I am to be part of this. But we don't have a chance.